Have you ever felt nervous when someone asks, "Can you introduce yourself?" Don't worry. In less than 2 minutes, you'll learn how to introduce yourself confidently in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to Talk English. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. This is one of the most important skills for beginners because introducing yourself is something you will do when you meet new people, start a new job, attend an interview, or even make friends online. So, let's learn how to do it naturally and confidently. When someone asks you, "Can you introduce yourself?" the first thing you should do is say your name. You can say, "Hi, my name is Alex," or "Hello, I'm Alex." Both expressions are common and polite. After saying your name, you can talk about where you're from. For example, you can say, "I'm from Morocco," or "I live in Casablanca." This gives people some basic information about you. Next, you can talk about your occupation or your studies. If you're a student, you can say, "I'm a student." If you work, you can say, "I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer," or "I work in a hospital." Remember, if you want to talk about your profession, you can use the structure, "I am a," or "I work as a." After that, you can mention your hobbies and interests. This part makes your introduction more personal and interesting. For example, you can say, "I enjoy playing football, listening to music, reading books, and learning English." Notice that after the verb, enjoy, we use the ing form of the verb, such as playing, reading, and learning. You can also describe your personality. You might say, "I'm a friendly person, I'm hardworking," or "I'm passionate about technology." These adjectives help other people understand more about who you are. Now, let's look at a complete example. Imagine that someone asks you to introduce yourself. You can say, "Hello, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Morocco, and I live in Casablanca. I'm a university student, and I enjoy playing football and learning English in my free time. I'm a friendly and hardworking person, and I love meeting new people. Nice to meet you." Very simple, right? Remember, a good introduction usually includes your name, where you're from, what you do, and your hobbies or interests. You don't need to use difficult vocabulary. The most important thing is to speak clearly and confidently. Try practicing your introduction every day. Repeat it several times, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, and with practice, your English will improve day after day. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to Talk English, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!